Check out this 2006 Chevrolet Colorado. Carfax has certified this Colorado as having one owner. This Colorado has just under 81,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 on the highway. This Colorado boasts a 2.8-liter inline-4 engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, CD player, cruise control, driver airbag and daytime running lights. Call 800-753-6343 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.